Welcome back to my channel Plan and Dimensions. Friends, today let us discuss 2 BHK duplex plan in 600 square feet plot area with car parking, terrace garden. Our built up area is 15 feet by 39 feet as Dhojaya. Friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please view my other videos by clicking the I button, or I have provided link in my description box. Now let us discuss the plan. Our plot size is 15 feet by 39 feet 4 inches. Now this plot is facing east. In northeast, we have a small gate entry to our building. We have a 8 feet 6 inches wide gate provided for car entry. The porch area is 14 feet by 14 feet 6 inches. This level is 1 feet above road. With reference to the building floor level, this is 1 feet below. In northeast, we have main door. From main door, we enter formal living 14 feet by 10 feet 10 inches. We can accommodate our furniture here. We have provided window for this ventilation. We can design open pooja facing north. To our southwest, we have bedroom number 1. 12 feet by 9 feet. We have accommodated bed resting our head in south. For this bedroom, we have attached toilet 4 feet 6 inches by 6 feet 6 inches. We have a duct open to sky to accommodate window and ventilator for ventilation purpose. We have steps for our upper level. Once we climb 13 steps, towards right we reach kitchen cum dining, measuring 14 feet by 10 feet at 7 feet 7 inches level. We have provided working platform to accommodate cooking range in southeast and a sink in south wall. We can accommodate fridge here. Towards north, we can have a dining table, and from this dining area, we have balcony facing the road. We have provided pergola to facilitate ventilation for the porch below. Now again back. From here, we climb 4 steps and move towards southwest. We have family living, very spacious, measuring 9 feet by 15 feet 9 inches at 9 feet 11 inches level. We have study 4 feet 6 inches by 6 feet 6 inches, table facing east. This duct provides ventilation. Now again, from here, we move to our next level. Towards right, we have terrace garden at 18 feet 1 inches level above this kitchen cum dining area. And again from here, we have external steps to terrace level. Again from this area, we have to climb 4 steps, and towards southwest, we have bedroom number 2, 9 feet by 12 feet with attached toilet. This is our duct open to sky for ventilation. Now, this area is Brahmasthanam. We are providing a skylight which brings light to all levels. For this terrace garden. We have pergolas, and from this terrace garden already explained, we have steps provided in terrace garden which leads to terrace at 30 feet 4 inches level. We can provide a safety grill for this deck. This area we have step roof at different level, 26 feet 4 inches, 28 feet 4 inches and 30 feet 4 inches. In this step roof we can provide a skylight. Now this entire plan has been designed as per vastu. Friends, please like, subscribe and get notified. We will bring live videos of this project to make you understand better at different stages. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. Let us meet in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.